All right, so this right here is just chickpeas, bell peppers, and also the jackfruit, right? All that I did was just drain the water from the chickpeas and also the jackfruit, cut up the bell peppers and the onions as well, because there's onions in here as well. Put it in here, seasoned it with salt and pepper and also a little bit of cayenne pepper, and of course a little bit of oil, right? And that was literally it. And you're gonna take your flour or your masa, right? Essentially like your tamale, right? The outer layer of it, and you're gonna put it onto this corn husk, and then you're gonna like, spread it out, right? I don't like to go all the way down here because this is gonna fold. And then you would just put, the sauce, right? Along with your ingredients. But then after that, you just fold it up. Boom. And then also I'll fill the pot up with some water, because you want to create like a steam, right? And then you want to put the husk on top, right? And then boom, do just like that. But essentially you want them to wrap all the way around. All right, so let's take some of this off. Literally just pull it off like so. And I want to unwrap this a certain way. Look at it, man. Look at it, man. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Ooh wee. South Central like a mug. You feel me? I just hit the corner with the tamale lady. We best friends. She put me on though, She put me on. I always knew she had a little thing for me, Don't even trip. I learned this like a couple years ago. She was a cougar and shit, but it is what it is. You feel me? She got what she want. I got what I want. It's all love. Nah, I'm playing with y'all. I swear I'm playing with y'all. Looks fire, man. Look, let's open her up. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Oh damn. Put it on the table, low key. Oh well. Let's see if I can get this at the same time. Now look, you want it to be that thick, okay? Don't make no thin tamales. You want it to be kind of thick, okay? So about like half an inch or a third of an inch on the corn husk, okay? And then you wrap it. Damn, this is fire. And literally just like that, there we go. So we have some vegan, all plant-based tamales, okay? Jackfruit, bell peppers, onion, spinach, a little picante, the salsa, of course the typical, right? The corn husk, you feel me? And also like everything else that gotta come with it, right? Oh, and also there's some beans in here too. But something I want to say though, man, is this. Look, I'm just fucking black and I'm from LA. Like, honestly, I'm more than likely sure like some Mexican grandmother somewhere can get down 1,000 times better than me, Even in the vegan sense, Anyways, I just want to say this, man. Look, if you Mexican and you got a Mexican grandmother, have her put you on, show her my video, you feel me? Tell her like, comment, and subscribe and all that, you feel me? But yeah, like, she's still gonna put you on and give you some very like important tips. So I would advise like, check in with her. With that being said, man, these are your jackfruit spicy tamales, all plant-based and a lot healthier than, than normal. That being said, man, if you guys wanna be able to get more recipes like this, all you have to do is comment down below BTCow or go to my Instagram and message me the word BTCow, and I'll send you guys a link to join my online free community. But like, you join the community, you literally get everything you need and more to be able to break the chains off wellness. That means recipes, this means fitness guide, this means meal plan, this means community support, this means coaching calls every month, very in-depth like video content to be able to break the chains off wellness, and also how to make this lifestyle sustainable. Like, there's a ocean of information there that I think everyone could enjoy, and also like about 5, 6, 7 courses there. With that being said, like this video, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pretty much, they're very easy. Don't overcomplicate it. But if you want the full recipe, join the community and it's all there. Peace.